Hey everyone. Welcome back to Money Insight. I hope you're all doing well. Today's video is going to be an exciting one, especially if you've been considering working from home. We're going to dive into the world of becoming a virtual assistant. So watch to the end to discover the secret I will reveal to help you make up to $100 per day as a beginner. A comprehensive guide for beginners. So, let's get started. Section 1. What is a virtual assistant? Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is a virtual assistant? Well, in a nutshell, a virtual assistant is someone who provides administrative support to businesses or entrepreneurs, but the catch is, it's all done remotely. Virtual assistants can handle a variety of tasks, from managing emails and schedules to data entry and much more. Section 2. Skills needed to become a virtual assistant. Becoming a virtual assistant does not actually require a lot of experience, especially in certain aspects, like managing emails, managing social media accounts for business and so on, is just like the normal routine you have every day. When you wake up, you check your email for messages, reply to message and so on, which make it easier for beginners. Although it might not seem like a tough work, but businesses are ready to pay hundreds of dollars to people to help them do such tasks, because it will keep their businesses active, which will lead to more clients. Section 3. Setting up your home office. Setting up a productive home office is crucial. Find a quiet space, invest in a comfortable chair, and make sure you have a reliable internet connection. A well-organized workspace can significantly enhance your efficiency. Section 4. Finding virtual assistant opportunities. Now, let's talk opportunities. There are various platforms where you can find virtual assistant jobs, such as Upwork and Fiverr. But you're probably wondering about the earnings, right? Well, it varies based on your experience and the tasks you take on. On average, experienced virtual assistants can earn a competitive income. Section 5. Creating a virtual assistant profile. When you're ready to dive in, creating a compelling profile is key. Showcase your skills and experience. This is your chance to make a great first impression, so make it count. Section 6. Communicating with clients. Effective communication is the backbone of virtual assistants. Set clear expectations, and always deliver high-quality work. Happy clients are the key to a successful virtual assistant career. Section 7. Managing your virtual assistant business. As you get into the swing of things, time management is crucial. Set boundaries, use productivity tools, and stay organized. This is your business, after all. Section 8. Potential earnings and maximizing income. Now, let's address the burning question. How much can you make per day? Well, it varies, but the potential is there. As a beginner, you can make up to $100 per day, once you start getting more clients. Experienced virtual assistants can maximize their income by offering additional services, specializing in a niche, and continuously expanding their skills, which can increase their income substantially. Section 9. Testimonials and building a reputation. Building a solid reputation is key. Positive client testimonials can go a long way. Provide excellent service, and you'll create a name for yourself in the virtual assistant world. Conclusion. To sum it up, becoming a virtual assistant offers flexibility, remote work, and the potential for competitive earnings. It's a journey that requires dedication and the right mindset. I encourage each one of you to explore this exciting opportunity and leverage your skills to create a successful virtual assistant career. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or want more information about virtual assistant work, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Money Insight for more content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Until next time, happy virtual assisting.